and the second one at a 90-degree angle. So let's see what happens when we try this. Okay, looks like we broke something, but it's not completely open. Let's try that one more time. There we go.
These guys wanted to see how accurate they could be while using their wingsuit.
Underwater?
Yeah.
Whoa!
This rhino ran right up to this photographer and demanded belly rubs. These are scallops, and this is what they look like when they swim around.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
Happy baking, everyone. Here we have some brioche dough, which goes into a bun divider. Push this down, divide it, and now we're going to round it for a few seconds. And voila, you have equal 36 pieces.
This company made a device that allows you to create and animate your own holograms.
And you look at it and you interact with it, there's no clunky headgear, there's no extended setup.
That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.